Hi everybody, my name is Vish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about YouTube growth. Today we have an interesting topic, YouTube search. If you are a beginner creator, don't skip this amazing video. This video is very short and sweet. Now let's get started. Always it is good practice to understand how YouTube works, how YouTube videos will work, how YouTube algorithm works, how to use keywords, how to use thumbnail, title, description, very important. If you're a new creator, always it is good practice to make videos related to searchable topics. Example, it could be fitness, education, money, AI related. Lots of people search how to get fit, how to reduce my weight, how to get free certification, how to save my money, how to become rich, how can I build something using AI. These kind of topics are really popular. Make videos which are already popular videos. Check your competitor videos, watch their top videos and create 3 to 5 minutes of videos. It is very important. Make videos related to searchable topics. Your videos may go viral. It is your ideas, your effort is very important. Always bring the best videos, give the best solutions to your audience. Initially create small videos, you'll get more confidence and your videos will become very popular. Always it is good practice to use AI tools for creating great thumbnail, title, description. For videos editing, you can go with VN Editor, CapCut, mobile apps. You can save lots of your time. It is very super amazing. Remember, always it is great practice to upload your videos regularly. Don't stop. Even if you get less views, don't worry because YouTube will give you reward one day. It's you have to keep pushing your videos regularly. Consistency is very important to get succeed in YouTube. Always create great thumbnail, title, description, very important, and you have to keep your energy high level. You can always win if you have the courage, discipline. Everything is important. The main goal is to give best videos to your audience. Remember, you can do it. It's only your mindset. Change your mindset. Definitely you will get success from YouTube. I'll be back with the next videos. If you have any questions, do comment in the comment box. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.